on camera, off camera, but it was the very first time जो तेरा दिखा दिया just because you were in a fight and they couldn't crop it, इसलिए दिखाया. To be honest, everybody talked about it. The very first day जब मैं, निखिल और केविन गए थे गोल्डन विला में सबसे पहले, तो me, केविन, निखिल, everybody knew what happened वहाँ पे. We discussed it. Exactly. मेरी केविन की बात हुई, निखिल knew it. और ये सारा चीजें बहुत obvious. First episode में भी ये तो बात बोली थी. Same चीज. सबने बोली थी. Nikki, so I don't think it's on us how we take it, yeah. Just don't get affected with all these things. If there are 10 people who are writing negative, there are going to be 90 people who are going to write positive for you. Like 290.
It's just the kind of stuff that people are writing. Like hate me. Like it's fine. I'm so used to it. But
you just can't understand the people, na, their mental state जो लिख रहे हैं. So just have pity on them and leave it. Just ignore it.
And even right now at this point, like I don't like talking about it and stuff. Even I am kind of going through certain things, something that is beyond Splitsvilla. So all this together is just kind of really affecting me. So I'm not telling anyone to not hate on me. Hate on me as much as you want. Make sure you fill my DMs with hate. Do whatever you want to do. But I think for myself and for my own good, I should just like be off Instagram for a couple days.
That's not the right thing to do. It's your call to make, but trust me, it's not the right thing to do. Yeah, you're doing so good. For those 10 people, those 10 stupid people who are making a fake account, who are probably the people we know. And you gotta just remove your Instagram. Actually, there are 315k audience that actually wants to see your content, the way you're acting, your lives, your everything. And वो 10-15 लोगों के लिए अगर तो अपना account deactivate कर देगी, तो how is that fair to everybody else? And you know, अभी जितने भी पहले मैंने live add किए ना लोगों को, everyone is saying this thing कि Nikki is such a great performer. हमने 4 episodes
except for the last girl.
Except for the last. Leave now. See, 4 girls were there who talked and praised about you, who appreciated you. Only one girl was there who's herself confused. वो उसको खुद भी नहीं पता चल रहा था what she's asking, why you chose Nikki, Arushi is good for you. It's just a show. Why are you even thinking that way? Obviously, bro. Arushi is my connection. Why would you go for him? हमारा bro code है सबसे पहले तो. Exactly. So just मैं शो से भी चले जाऊंगा तब भी सामर्थ्य आरुषि के पास नहीं जाएगा. जाओ. It enhances your beauty, so just keep smiling like that and don't get affected with this thing. If you get affected, just call me. I'm just a call away. Cutie smile, Samarth is back.
I will call you after this. Nikita, you were bad in this episode. Okay.
There are so many comments. Why are you reading only that comment? There are so many comments. Everyone. मतलब इतने comments से जो लिख रहे हैं Nikita is such a smart contestant. She played so smart. She's a lovely girl. सारे comment क्यों नहीं दिख रहे? I don't know what's wrong here. Guys, why don't you discuss these things at your own? Someone is writing, guys, why don't you discuss these things at your own call? Because we actually wanted to call out those people who Nikita को bullshit लिख रहे हैं, आरुषि को bullshit लिख रहे हैं.
Kevin is like Nikki. Hi, Kev. Miss you.
Hi, Kavi. Truth hurts. Kevin, sorry, तेरी streak तोड़ने के लिए, bro. You're continuously winning, and it was the very first time that you lost. So sorry for breaking your streak. You guys are active on Snapchat? I'm active on Snapchat. I'm not, yaar. मेरे को रोज हर कोई message.
Even I'm not.
To use it. You
should use it. You know, just put up like basic stories on Snapchat and stuff, and make your account public, and probably put stuff that you're not putting on Instagram. Random stuff. You working out, all that.
Okay, I'll do that for sure. मैं करूँगा आपसे. You are there, Nikki? Are we connected there?
Oh no, I don't have you on Snapchat only. What the hell, Sam?
Connected नहीं है वहाँ पे. I'm gonna add you after this.
Ramesh Siri hasn't even added me on
मैं भी व्योम के
Snapchat.
साथ भी नहीं कनेक्टेड हूँ मैं.
हम भी एडिटेड नहीं है ना निकिता. हम
नहीं,
एडिटेड
मैं Snapchat ज़्यादा use नहीं करती हूँ. I think I used it last when I was in school.
Oh, just a second.
obviously.
Stop it.
अरे मेरा
I know why you would use it in the school and not now.
You're disgusting.
Nikki, you saw my dance.
You look really cute. Yeah, very cute, Sam.
Sapna
So
declined.
cute.
Sapna को मैं request भेज रहा हूँ, but she declined. Okay, no, Nikki, people are writing it. You nailed that,
Thank you, Nikita,
People are
for
writing
calling me
so
cute.
well. Nikki, we love you. क्या?
You look cute.
Piyush
Your
is saying your
deactivation would be-
deactivation would be your haters' biggest achievement. You want them to win.
Samartha and Arushi.
चलो.
Arushi is not here. क्या लिखा उसने?
Vyomesh is jealous of Nikhil Jai Shivam. Acha, tell me one thing, guys. Why would I be jealous of them? Okay.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, how are you? Long
Hi.
time.
Kevin's here.
Hello.
Finally.
What's up?
We are blessed.
What's
Kevin
Huh?
came to bless us.
How did I come to
Kevin
bless?
के दर्शन हुए बहुत दिनों के बाद.
By
Darshan
showing
bhai,
your
bro.
face to us, yeah.
By showing your light,
Finally,
showing
yeah.
your face.
What's up, guys?
Good morning, Kevin.
I'm sad.
How's LA?
I'm not in LA, bro. I'm in
He's
Charleston.
not in LA.
Sorry.
That's okay. Everyone
sorry.
knows US is LA only.
Oh, good. It's good.
How are you guys? What's up?
We
Why
are
you
amazing.
quit Instagram,
Good,
Nikki?
bro.
Again, you started. Same thing on, bro. The same thing. It was on the show. She came in. She's like, I don't no one wants to perform. This, that. I'm getting hit. No one
I'm
likes
sad.
me. Everyone thinks I'm not gonna
I'm
perform. and
really
then
sad.
she
I'm
killed
not
it.
even that. I'm really sad. I was just crying like a while ago.
Why were you really sad?
Because of all the hate I have been getting for calling Nikhil out and for like not giving
Hey.
Nikhil those freaking disses.
I haven't watched the episode yet, but I know
You know what
for a
happened.
fact, I know what you did, and I know it was savage.
We are proud of that. As it
Yes, it was.
Obviously,
It was
yeah.
awesome.
So we are a team.
Listen.
Someone
they-
definitely is gonna be.
People have to know that there's two teams, and in any game, when there's two teams, the other team tries to beat the other team however they can. So what Nikki did was waste
Exactly.
Nikhil's time so that he doesn't get points. So that's smart. If you guys think Nikhil is smart, and you're hating on what she did, bro, that's a lot more smarter than if someone from our side tells the guy who we're voting for, and then you guys call him smart. You know, that's like. But people don't get this because they weren't in front of the camera, because they weren't there, so they wouldn't know. And there's definitely some people that hate the fact that you did that to Nikhil because they like Nikhil and they like how you, like, they hate the fact that you did that to him. But the people that don't, they don't.
Okay,
It's
but-
a game.
Why,
Have to know it.
why,
The only
why
reason
am
why
I?
I don't join
why-
all this shit is because, like, okay, we talk shit about them, they talk shit about us, it keeps going on. But during the show,
Exactly.
like, what matters is who did what. So,
True.
yeah.
And she's
Yeah.
a performer, star performer of the show.
Yes.
आज
I
की
haven't watched the
episode.
episode yet. How was the episode? I'll watch it now.
Yeah.
And
And it's amazing.
It was amazing,
I
bro.
did belly
It
dance.
was fun. It was
Episode
fun.
was fun, honestly. It was funny.
Do you remember that part, Kevin? You're like,
the twerking.
तूने को बोला that working part. नहीं, that working part नहीं, the stripping part in front of Bhumika.
You
like,
and Nikhil.
Vyomesh भी करेगा perform. Vyomesh भी करेगा perform. He actually forced me. I didn't want to strip at that point.
Came there
Ken
and
was like,
he's like,
Vyomesh will
दोनों
strip.
perform करते हैं,
I
दोनों.
don't know.
He's like, जो भी अच्छा होगा उसको दे देना.
I knew
That-
Vyomesh can twerk. So I was like, chalo, let's see what.
I stripped, bro. I took my t-shirt off and she gave both of the disses to Nikhil for no fucking reason. When I had her back since day one. Even तेरे को पता है जब वो गोल्डन विला में थी कितना बार बचाया यार हमने उससे.
Yeah.
True.
पहले दिन पे जब हमने डिसाइड किया कि I'll be choosing भूमिका, it was so obvious because कि भूमिका has a lot of enemies, so I'm gonna choose भूमिका ताकि वो बाहर ना जाए शो से पहले दिन पे.
I
पहले
need
शो में भूमिका ना. That was the reason I chose भूमिका कि she's a friend, and the way she did bad to me, it was so fucking disgusting, bro. मेरे को इतना fucked up feel हुआ ना. ऊपर से आरुषि मेरे पे चढ़ गई. I was like, I told you भूमिका will do this, भूमिका will do that. And I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है man.
Arushi will add you. Don't worry. Arushi is like, मेरे को नहीं add करना बदतमीज हो. We can add you.
Arushi is too funny.
We'll add you on FaceTime.
अरे
On FaceTime.
तो आरुषि ने जान खा ली थी मेरी. When भूमिका did this, no, she was like, मैंने पहले ही बोला था भूमिका will do this to you.
Kevin, how's your MMA training going on?
Honestly, bro, I'm not training right now because I hurt my knee. I got injured. I might have to actually
What happened?
get surgery on my knee. It's pretty bad.
Oh God.
Okay. Okay. Is it good?
What happened, bro? क्या हुआ?
Yeah, I still
How
don't
did
know
this happen and when?
During training only it happened.
how did it happen. I'm fucking fighting, bro.
Matlab, how long has it been? When did this happen?
Like a few days. It's been like 3-4 days. That's why I haven't been
Oh
really going.
my God.
So
you can't walk
Did you
and stuff?
fall? Did you kick?
I just went swimming. I just came back from swimming, like right now,
Why are you
No,
going swimming right now?
because
I'm
water is
asking you,
good.
knee पे लगी कैसे? Kevin,
How?
knee पे लगी कैसे? Did you fall? Did you kick something? क्या हुआ?
I got
During
kicked.
training.
I kicked and I got kicked.
You go. Okay.
So my knee's pretty messed up.
You were just jabbing around, or it was a fight, actual fight?
No, bro, it was during training. It was like stupid. I was the one. I did it to myself. It didn't even like. Nobody did it to me. I did it myself. So that's the bad part.
Kevin, see
Oh,
my new hairstyle,
God.
man.
I love it, man. You.
Take care.
I don't know why you
Just
look so.
take care.
Why do you look so red?
It's because of, Nikki's
the
reaction to that negative comments. I'm becoming Aag Babula. How can someone write that to Nikki? She's so cute. How can someone write that?
You guys
Sam.
are always been the cutest. Listen, Nikki.
Yeah.
Everybody gets hate, bro. Listen,
True.
everybody from every side. Like everybody time will come. That is for sure. Vyomesh got the hate. I don't know when he got hate. But all of us, like I think the only
They were-
person that would never get hate is Samarthya. It's because he's the
Exactly.
he will never get the sweetest.
Come
Like
to me.
he's just
If anyone gets hate,
he's
come to
just
me.
that. Like
He's too cute.
I just hate you. See, people hate all the time. Like it's a
Samarthya, you know how Samarthya tackled? जब actually he was about to get dumped, and Samarthya के निखिल के पास, why would you write my name? निखिल मेरा नाम क्यों लिखा तूने? It's not the right thing to do. Like Samarthya, it is the time when you pick up a fight, bro. You fight. Why would you write my name?
yeah, my guy.
Like, why
It's
the
just
fuck would
giving
you
it
write
up.
my name? How
Just
dare
giving
you
the
write my
situation
name?
And so I was like, why did you bro write my name?
Why
That's
don't
not
write
good.
my name?
That's funny. But
That's
that's,
Samarthya for you.
hey, that's him though. Like that's how he is. Like that's his personality.
Yeah.
He's a
He's
he's a
so
guy that
cute.
doesn't fight. So that's good.
Good, man.
That's
I'm
the,
gonna practice MMA from now on.
yeah. Get in the zone, bro. You would be a really good MMA fighter. You know?
Yeah,
Me?
but
Yeah, because
he's gonna.
you don't get emotional for anything. You just see it as a sport, and you wouldn't care if the guy talks shit. You wouldn't get angry at anyone. You just stay calm and
I'll
like
be like
eye up.
knocking you completely, man.
I
Yeah.
swear you will be. Yeah, you're.
Come to India. I'll come to Pune.
I bet, but he's gonna apologize as soon as he knocks the guy
Yeah.
down. He'll be like, sorry, bro.
The guy.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, I knocked you out.
Sorry, भैया.
So
ज़्यादा जोर
sorry.
से तो
I
नहीं
feel
लगा.
so bad right now. Like fuck.
The winning speech would be like, I'm so sorry that I hit you so hard, but it's the game. I didn't want you to do that, but I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
you're like a very sweet guy. I hope we can be friends. Please, brother. Let's be friends.
God bless you, my child.
I
Yeah.
think that's sportsmanship. You should be in that way.
Yes. good sportsman. My guy.
है ना निकी?
I'm gonna
I'm
go.
loving the filter.
You guys.
Take care,
Love you.
Kevin.
Take care of your
Take care
leg.
of your-
Take care of your leg.
Take care of your social
Take care
media.
of health and get well soon, buddy. Bye bye. Love you. Take care.
Later. And
Love
bye.
you. Thanks for being there.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care. if you need to.
Bye.
Bye. Acha, wait, yaar. Let's add Arushi. She's getting upset.
Okay.
See, Arush, Nikki's all good now. Nikki, don't
Mummy
get
just
affected by
खाने
all
की
these
भूख
things,
लगी।
okay?
I'm all good now. Abhi, I'm
Whenever you
good
get
now,
affected-
but tomorrow the episode will air. So then it will be more. Hi,
Why have
babe.
you added me?
Alright.
Why have you added me now? Why have you added me?
Oh, look at your mask.
क्योंकि तुम
Why have you added me now?
कुछ भी बोलो।
Sorry.
क्योंकि तुम मैसेज कर
I can't.
आरुषि को ये
Look
क्या
at your
mask
mask,
पहना तूने? तेरे मुंह से बड़ा तो मास्क लग रहा है
Exactly.
Shut up.
I want to
Don't
say
talk to
something.
me.
man.
I'm only
Ayushi.
going to talk to Vyomesh and Nikita, not Samarthya.
Arushi,
Nikita.
listen now.
क्या
Remember I gave you that eye mask that you kept wearing on your face?
I took that mask too. I have that
Day in and
mask.
day out. सुबह
वो
शाम
mask मैंने
हर
ले
time-
लिया ना? I think.
नहीं वो नहीं लिया हुआ तूने व्हाइट वाला मेरे व्हाइट वाले की बात करी है तूने कोई और लिया हुआ है
हाँ.
इसने
तो
बड़ा
कालू
कुछ ले
में
लिया
क्या-
मेरा पता तुझे
अभी कुछ पहले लाइफ में भी ना
क्या लिया मैंने? एक कैप ली थी पिंक कलर
यहाँ
की.
पे ले लिया
हाँ.
है।
एक कैप एंड एक आई मास्क. That's it, bro.
That's it.
That's
आरुषि और क्या चल रहा है आजकल व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन
यार मुझे आवाज आ रही है समर्थ्य जैसे इंसान की इस लाइव पे है क्या वो यहाँ पे
नहीं, नहीं है.
नहीं है ना
नहीं है ना नहीं है तो
What's
मेरे
up,
मुंह
bro?
कर देता हूँ
मेरे को पता कभी
Oh,
कभी लगता है आरुषि
no.
हमारे बीच में है. सामर्थ्य. मेरे को कभी
क्या?
कभी फील होता है आरुषि अभी भी हमारे बीच में है.
हाँ
कभी
यार
कभी मेरे को आरुषि की आवाज आती है.
सही में यार
I feel like आरुषि
कोई
still
लड़की की
among
आवाज
us.
आ रही है जो हमारे बीच में आ रही है मेरे और व्योमेश
Guys, what is even happening? I'm so spaced out.
Don't
When
be.
I am.
You're with me. See? We're sitting adjoining to each other.
Yeah. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Come on. Give now.
Sorry.
No, like this.
You guys are up and down. You guys are up and down in my life.
You guys are up and
No,
down.
on all screens, we are right beside each other.
You guys are up and down.
Same. Here also they're up and down.
हमारे
Up and down,
screen हम
हम-
साइड में हैं.
हाँ हमारे में साइड साइड पे आ रहा है
और मैं और व्योमेश तुमको साइड साइड पे दिख रहे हैं.
हाँ तुम दोनों
हाँ.
एक साथ दिख रहे हो मेरी स्क्रीन पे
करो,
actually
करो, high five करो तुम दोनों.
connection है
नहीं ऐसे
Up and down.
ऐसे क्या करना नीचे.
ऐसे मार ऐसे मार
It's okay, bro.
Nikki, you're
अच्छा,
amazing
I want to say one thing, bro. कोई भी
बोल.
जीता कोई भी आ रहा. Arushi performed better than two other girls. So Arushi did good. So please don't hate on Arushi.
I love the expression of the Arushi जब वो झूले पे बैठी हुई थी it's like आज
मेरी
झूले पे बैठी हूँ मस्त
मेरी पत्नी कहती है ऐसा लग रहा है तुझे उल्टी आने वाली है तो झूले से गिर जाएगी
क्या?
और केविन
जैसे
मार देगा
बच्चे नहीं होते जबरदस्ती बिठाया होता है तूने अगर आरुषि का एक्सप्रेशन देखा ना छोटे बच्चे होते हैं जो जबरदस्ती बिठाए भाई झूला लेना ही लेना है अब टिकट कट गई अब तो झूले में बैठना ही है उसका ऐसा था
My
एक्सप्रेशन
mom was laughing. फिर मेरी mom is like, हरा दिया तूने व्योमेश को निकल जा यहाँ से. उसने कहा रे
वीडियो में जीत रहा था अभी तक. कोई बात नहीं. आगे जीत जाएंगे. अभी चैलेंजेस
हाँ.
आएंगे जिसमें हम परफॉर्म करेंगे साथ में. So आगे
And
जीतेंगे.
hands off to Nikki यार उसे हाइट से डर लगता है but still she performed so damn well amazing
हाँ निकी
देखो तो,
गैरी
और मिनट आया
गैरी ने
निकी
बहुत
बोलेगी.
गंदा किया निकी के साथ.
मेरे को हाँ गैरी ने नहीं अच्छा किया. गैरी ने बहुत फक अप किया इसके साथ. मेरे को 2 मिनट के लिए
मैंने
लगा
वीडियो
कि
में भी
उधर हमारी
बोला
गैरी.
उधर उधर हो गया था यार अगर सही
मैंने
तरीके से
वीडियो में भी
जाता
बोला था क्या कर रहा था वो कुछ भी कर रहा था ऐसे ऐसे घुमाया जा रहा था बेचारी को.
I was rotating. I was literally rotating. गोल जा रही थी मैं.
मैंने तो
यार,
आज टीवी पे
मेरी
देखा
गोद
I couldn't see then मैंने तो आज टीवी पे देखा जो हो रहा था वो झूला ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा था
मैंने
हाँ.
गैरी देखा यार.
नहीं I was तो like I could see there सामने.
someone is
literally.
writing and Arushi is already here
Guys, this is Arushi.
Nikki, you were also supposed to call
आरुषि
me.
लगा ले. आरुषि फिल्टर
I'm gonna
लगा
call
ले.
you after
फिल्टर
this
दे
one.
दे.
क्या
नहीं लगाना मुझे फिल्टर.
I love you, Arushi. Stop it.
खुद ही फिल्टर है क्या लगेगी फिल्टर
खुद ही फिल्टर. What was that? Was
तेरे को
that
मैं
a
बताती
compliment or?
हूँ. अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है ये. लॉकडाउन खत्म होने दे.
And I'm giving a compliment, yeah, Vyom.
Compliment है.
पता
No,
नहीं.
she's a filter.
She's a filter.
Nikki, you got fruits today. Sure.
Yeah, I was eating fruits. Are fruits are in the fridge now where it
You're
should
not
be?
eating unhealthy, Aj? Nikki?
Nikki, did
No,
you
I'm
grow?
not.
What the fuck? Nikki, what are people writing? Nikki
What are
is
they
a,
writing?
Nikki is a single child, guys. What the fuck?
What are they writing?
Somebody
Someone wrote, guys, somebody wrote most dirtiest group of Splitzvilla.
Then go
I
watch
watch
Zumba.
Achha wale group
I love
now.
you.
Just
I
go
love you.
and watch Achha group. And God bless
हाँ
you,
यार.
man.
God bless you.
God bless you, my child.
We are here to bless everyone.
Yeah.
हमारी दशा में जो
Samarthya
भी
is Jesus.
I'm Jesus.
यार but
Yeah, exactly.
एक और चीज थी. Like Nikki, Bhumika was fighting तेरे से specifically कि you didn't play fair, you should play fair, you're brat. वो उसने क्या किया मेरे साथ bro? Tell me about it bro. मतलब वो किस मुंह से बोली मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आया.
I have no idea what's happening. I'm just like, we shot for the show 2 months ago. I'm over it. People are still here like, oh, like this, that. Like, I'm just waiting for it to pass. Oh, I like this filter. Please send it to me, no?
Wait. No, yeah.
This one.
Vyumesh, did you really lost that task push-ups? नहीं यार वो जीता था.
सामर्थ्य
He
यार ये
clearly
तेरे बाल
won.
कहाँ से कटवाए हैं? कौन सी दुकान से?
Arushi has to say something. Arushi was like, वीरी में मेरे को श्वेता ने बोलने को बोला था.
हाँ, मत बोल यार पागल है यहाँ मत बोल.
क्या किया?
Oh, मैंने camera back कर दिया. I'm sorry, guys.
Snitzel कहाँ पे?
Nice room.
Where's Snitzel?
Snitzel. Let me look for Snitzel. इस रूम में नहीं है. बाहर होगा मॉम के साथ.
Oh.
He's small now.
This filter would suit Nikki a lot. Bad.
Oh, guys, this filter would suit Mohan or Sumit.
यार no.
Don't do this. देखिए वो
Are you good?
बेचारे घर में बैठे सो रहे होंगे इस टाइम में.
Nikki,
बेचारे को
आज
क्या
हमने-
I have a
Last-
question. I have a
Challenge
question for
देखते
you
हो।
जो सामर्थ्य के ऊपर है. I want to ask. No.
ये
Why are you
नहीं
asking me?
Obvious. तो फिर व्योमेश को पूछूं. व्योमेश.
हाँ पूछो.
Are you good kisser?
Is सामर्थ्य a good kiss? I am asking about सामर्थ्य.
ये क्या
Ew,
है?
what is this filter?
ओ आरुषि अब तो सुंदर लग रही है फाइनली. ये फिल्टर लगा के रखा कर.
Then I'm playing with this.
आरुषि तेरा पेट
Guys,
खराब है
are you
क्या?
mad?
आरुषि तेरा पेट खराब है.
What's that noise? Can you stop it, Vyom?
Stop farting, व्योमेश.
आरुषि तेरा
वो देख दुल्हन बन के आ गई है व्योम.
She wants to get married to you, Vyomesh.
No.
I hope you guys know कि right now, considering the situation around, not more than 10 people can attend your wedding.
50.
I'll choose एक ध्रुवेश हो गया, सामनिक हो गया, अपना सपना हो गई. आरुषि को नहीं बुलाऊंगा मैं, बाकी सारे आ जाना.
तो शादी किस साथ करेगा? आग के साथ? अग्नि के साथ?
सुमित के साथ. Listen, Sumit के साथ.
Not again, Nikki. Please don't say this. मेरे को पता है अभी मैसेज आएंगे. पता है इसके बाद ही.
निक्की अपनी वीडियोस में ऐसे करती है.
ऐसे करती हूँ दिखा.
निकी पता है कैसे करती है? निकी कहती है कि I don't want to give my love by to any guy else. सामर्थ्य. Every guy is shit. I like Nikki.
हाँ.
मैंने निक्की का ना फूट
Other
पे
guys trash.
I said every other guy is like trash.
मैंने
It's
निक्की
like-
का एक वो
And-
देखा वूट पे.
Plus-
वूट पे आया था. उसमें निक्की कहती है यार जिस लड़के की अच्छी शक्ल है वो गंदा बोलता है, जो गंदा बोलता है उसकी अच्छी शक्ल है. What the fuck यार.
Finally उसको भी मिल गया ना the whole package.
Have you seen? Nikki, have you seen that?
I haven't, but I was
I
saying that when I
am
said every
don't
other
think
guy is trash,
Do,
I was not referring to guys of our group for sure.
Reward is fun.
I know.
Pinky
Obviously.
Nikki. Devang, log him. I will love you all. Love you too, the philosopher. Why a name person are so cute?
A name.
Why a name?
Basically,
अच्छा, नाम
Arushi.
है किसी का नाम.
Samarthi, you paired up. Oh God, guys, Nikki.
Samarthya, you paired up with a bully. So I'm the bully. Okay.
Leave it.
Nikki is a cute.
Wow.
You don't read negative comments and spoil your mood. See, people are writing that also.
मैं पता है
Charlie
सच्ची
है,
बताऊं,
पता
जब मेरे को
है।
हेट कमेंट्स मिलते हैं ना, जब मैं हेट कमेंट देखता हूं तो फिर मैं कैसे करता हूं? ऐसे
मैं हंसता हूं।
बिल्कुल ही.
मैं हंसता हूँ, बता मुझे हंसी आती है.
What if I had?
अबे साले तुम
I'm
चुप हो जा,
sending
तेरे को
you
हेट
a
कमेंट्स आते भी हैं. तेरे को कैसे हेट कमेंट्स आते होंगे? सामंत को क्या हेट कमेंट्स आते होंगे?
मैं तुझे स्क्रीनशॉट
क्या comment आते हैं?
स्क्रीनशॉट
बता
भेजूंगा.
I
Samarthya
swear.
doesn't get a single hate comment. अगर उसको कोई मिलेगा तो मेरे रिलेटेड ही मिल सकता है.
अरे आई गेट लॉट ऑफ. नहीं वो नहीं है, ऐसे भी मिलते हैं. I
This
send you
hate
the
तो सबको मिलता है यार. This world doesn't.
हाँ, मे बी वो जान के लिए सीन के थोड़ा बहुत मिला होगा, है ना?
You cannot please anybody.
perfecto. I'm your die hard fam. Thank you Cuddles 803. तुम लोग दिन भर लव आओ, हमारा लॉकडाउन अच्छा निकल जाएगा. अच्छा,
Live.
so cute.
आज तुम बैलेंस कर सकती है ऐसे.
हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ.
Dance one. Arushi, they want the dance वाला filter. Put that.
अच्छा मैं लगाती हूँ रुको.
Damn, we had to
I
live in
also
Jammu.
wanna
Also
see.
live in Jammu, and same goes for Arushi. I
Guys,
live in अखनूर रोड की जगह.
मुझे मैं बताऊँ कहाँ रहता है सामर्थ्य. सामर्थ्य रहता है केसीबी स्कूल के पास.
बाय आरुषि.
जादू आया, जादू. आए जादू. इसको वापस स्पेसशिप में भेजूंगा मैं कल.
आरुषि, I'm dying.
I miss Pie Peg Bird. How are you?
मम्मी.
यार इस सामने की रील में भी इतना
आरुषि निकाल दिया तूने? निकाल दिया तूने?
Someone is saying you all have gone mad. Somebody's like you all have gone mad.
आरुषि चले गए. Let me ask you one. Nikki, what's going on? What's up?
I'm sad.
Don't be. Sadness doesn't look good on you. Only smile looks good on you.
Sam, don't be so cute.
I'm saying truth. व्योम तूने कौन सा फिल्टर लगाया है?
Yeah, it's kind of cute.
Hello.
Oh,
Hi, Trev.
One sec.
Trev, how are you, man? Long time.
One sec. I'm just gonna.
तू कोई फिल्टर लगा रहा है? मत लगा, अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे.
Because it's my night and I look ugly.
You look good, man. Always.
What's up? What's happening?
Arushi left.
The only time you looked ugly was in Fitilla. उसके अलावा तो हमेशा अच्छा लगता है.
Sorry, Arushi. I lied. Arushi is writing. अरे ऐड मुझे नहीं ऐड किया.
What discussions happening?
Hello, guys.
We are discussing ऐसे एपिसोड के बारे में.
About Nikki being butthurt about today's episode.
सबसे बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी जो है ना, जो एक्चुअली सेंस बनती है.
Nikki is butthurt.
I'm just sad.
You saw the episode?
Yeah, I saw the episode today. I watched it. One sec. Oh,
What filter is this?
wait, yeah.
गाड़ी में. ये तूने कैट वाला फिल्टर क्यों लगाया है?
This is cat.
ये कैट वाला फिल्टर मत लगा. इसमें तो waves आती हैं.
Okay, fuck these filters, man. Okay, what I was saying is, yeah, Nikki was crying about today's episode.
अच्छा, रेवन. वो सारी कंट्रोवर्सी हो गई. Do you have something for us? Some question, some game, something, bro? Because you are the head of production हमारे group से. So it's you actually does all the fun stuff.
I wanted to ask you all, fuck, are you all not sleeping?
Why? What's the time?
It's 12